Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm sorry I've been away so long, but I have been poorly. Unfortunately, I do work for the NHS and I did get the dreaded virus, which has put me out of action for a while, but I'm over that now, and that's why it's took me so long to finish this journal, which has been on my channel a while back. So this is the finished product. I'll just let you have a quick glance at it. So in here we've got a pocket, another pocket here, and a little butterfly specimen tag. Plenty of room for writing in this journal. Doily with some butterfly images stuck on, a bit of washi tape there, stamping, a little bit of embossing there, and some journaling cards, some napkin decoupage there, tag, in this pocket, some more stamping, stenciling. These are images that I have on my computer, and I just put them onto the papers. The stamping here. These are Handmade's butterfly in blue papers, little tag, some tickets, envelope, envelope here, little tag, so a bit of embossing going on there with that in the envelope. Like I say, there's lots of room for writing in here. Some vellum that I've printed an old French receipt on. I love these images, beautiful. Another pocket, put some lace there, some ephemera in there, little tag. I've embossed, and this is a bit of die cutting. Another tag, belly band there. That's the other side of that vellum. So these are all from Handmade's one of her collections. Beautiful papers. Another pocket that I've made there. No, another tag. Another pocket. Some more ephemera. Another journaling card there. Another tag. And some more journaling cards. Bit of washi tape down here, and I've been doing a little bit of doodling here with some gel pens. I like to colour a little bit, and that's it. That's the book. It's been a long time coming, the journal, but it's all done now, and I'm hoping to bring something else soon. So I will be working on another project, and hopefully it won't take as long this time. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed that. See you soon. Bye.